this exercise, I'm pretty sure you never saw it. I do that all the time for a stretch. You see? And don't look the keyboard. Just like this. It's gonna get so hard because every single key is everything is different word. And this is for a stretch this because this is gonna stretch someday. And it's gonna help a lot when you do chords like this because you're gonna have all of these things. It's like you are giving a strength, now you are working this finger. And after giving accent to each voice. And after you can say in every key if you want, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 voices. It's like I am using this with 2 over That's the simple way. But what about if we subdivide like ta ta stack it I know it sounds like it's a drummer thing, but this is so important. Like this. Oh. We do more like play, jump, but with a chord with quality. I am using the sustain pedal like the right hand voicings is so important. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, like kind of voicings like this. Another thing that I really love to do is this riff too. How can we become this in modern jazz, like with all of these fundamental things about quintuplets and all of these things? It's like take one note and start to reharm the note. Tan tan and here different. And still here, we're gonna do the arpeggio. Like the C, the C, oh, G, C, G, C, G, C. I can put in the left hand the melody, original, and the right hand, the other melody. How we put this together? It's like practice slow and see how it matches, because that's the idea. It should blend. And the keyboard player comes in. What are you waiting for?